women in the civil service, women in the private sector, and women in the business sector as well as the private sector. Since 1994 to date, we've been looking at a lot of positive development in the area of women empowerment, women employment and employability, and also the government has also not forgotten women in the agriculture, women doing business, and those at the gardens, and of course, women in the civil service and women within the security. When we talk about celebrations, we ask ourselves, is there any need to celebrate women empowerment? Why are we celebrating? What are the successes and what are the challenges? And everybody is a living witness to, in fact, the Gambia could be single-handedly singled out as one of the best countries in terms of women empowerment in the world. Looking at the United Nations calls for empowerment of women, women participations in politics, women's participation in socio-economic development, of course, these issues cannot be overemphasized. And the government of the Gambia, under the leadership of His Excellency the President, saw the importance of women not only in politics, and not only mere rhetorics and making promises, but President Jammeh and his government can stand the test of time to have not only empowered women at the grassroots, but to the top level of governance. We have seen 1996 to date, our vice president is a woman. There was a time cabinet ministers, the female were more than 30% as the quota system started. Most of the women are advocating and for the United Nations. We've seen, even if it's nominating, he nominates the majority of them as women. We've seen women as judges, women as magistrates. We've seen women as inspectors, women as commissioners of police, women as superintendents. We have seen women as even general in this country. That shows the commitment, the political will, and the commitment of the leadership to the cause of women. And that women, as they are respected in all our religions, that is both Islam and Christianity, so the presidents have high regard for them. We have seen also the enabling environment that is created for those women who are involved in agriculture, horticulture, gardening, by building markets for them, constructing roads, easy access to the fishing sectors, women who are involved and engaged in fishing either as petty traders or hawkers, for easy access to market. All these enabling environment are created for women to take advantage of the situation. Tijan in short, I think they are here, they will be in a better position to talk to us. We have them from the Women's Bureau, the civil society, the personnel management office under the leadership of its permanent secretary, Dawda Fadera, and we want to, on behalf of the Bantaba team, to appreciate all of them for their contributions in mobilizing. It takes only telephone calls to call the heads. And I want to thank the Secretary General Head of the Civil Service, who directed the Secretary to Cabinet and through the Permanent Secretary PMO to have those women in senior positions who are here with us. By and large, there is a cause for women of the country to celebrate. And there is a cause for government of the Gambia to raise its heads high and to say that whenever you want to talk about champions in women empowerment in the world, the Gambia should be singled out as a pace setter for that. Tijan, I want to thank once more our viewers and our beautiful and lovely audience for this important program.
Thank you. Badigon mimbe jibe kan GRT sani sign drong intententa ka albe jiana nyim programme to minketa National Bantaba Forum ko programme yele dula nga fo no nyamen drong ko bi nga musol le bendi nu jang musol min ya lon ko bi ibota e Gambia la fanal mu mebelto nin ko fanal mu mebeto way min fuda siata la barka kumo sutiande dorong e nga musol min soto bin na studio ko no jang e nsafo no ko don kabirin doku bundalto fo e fansum business lal wolle be benta nun jang anu bi kacha mun no abe lori mine kan dron wala musol la lodula nyim banko kan e nyaato tal min sotata je ko le akol min sotata je ani ye ferel min landi pour ka je ko ye musol sembenti yande honorable babu gay sonko bi kacha mu wolati na national bantaba forum sa ndong ngi bula e finance kumo fayje
yo abaraka tijan be musol be bismillah la mulna ta be ngoto jang aw yitandiro kembe asata jifangani deputy youth mobilizer aji Fatou Jeng fanala tero jamba itandila molla ko mba nyandila ya mu volam to nyati musol la be ngombole to ba ko man to ngaji ko musol be kilimandiro ke ka musol la lungola nata si ko fo gambia musol dum e tol nyanta kilimandila le bang fo nyanta e manyana kilimandila bare ngamu moy musol fon wala nyindi ko momo nyanta kilimandila dunya kono gambia musol le folo nyanta kilimandila fende fo nyanto mun de gambia musol la fanna bela honorable Siri Jaya Fojane bay namaduna ko be ay da fay haydara kayla mba tentula anala musu kompino be bawo musul nyatun kaya fay nyin ku jamal be achieve o mo ku kende balde Gambia janni ajube kabin 1996 to date Gambia lam banko de mu yemu soke vice presidency constantly ya tu jala place to fani bebe mun kono nina ta jube that's the executive. You have the president mu kele bara musole bulanda nom yana di legislature wala député bungo musi jelle député bungo marajang do ben kono jam fa mun kinam fon la sisati FJC aketa député bungo nyaton ko tim banko kanyen musi do fana ne ketati mais tembo mu to kele nyaton ko bara musole ba noma ni bodo da cabinet room cabinet ni sasol ko mo jelle bi jemu musoti e vice president of education kuma yambu wala abe musole bulu tourisme munga banko la fanko fana lafa abe musole bolo nina danda wala fana abe musole bolo woto musol la nyanto nim banko kan na nyaton ka kendo his excellency Cheikh professor Dr. ya AJJ Jammeh ya dile donc amanna dango fana ni do ko bundal jube fana sainten ki position be musole bolo musol la kato haninna agriculture to nyaton kaya katola fanato abe musol lebul woto president Jammeh musol sembo warandi bakela ay sembentu ya woto mon dol ngari memba musol ka kobol la nyinen ode kan ni bita faroto bar bi president Jammeh ka takitol le di ko seno kala du muso ka fo ka bo bijang region o region ay takitol le di la ko leta seno kola woto pour Gambia musol ni musudol ye deng kanyila lungo kidimandi wo mo muso bela nyantoleti bari bawo bi muy la bengol titiyan e fangol bi janne lafte nin dunya mo le kacha bawo nim mo nyanda kiriman la dunya kono Gambia la nyanda kala number 1 bawo nyin nem banko de mu yalon ko e musol do ne tombong yake free education for girls sunkuru no musol la muyti e bodoto ya fanna ju police bundato bi ni ajube han amiol ko ne ka musol je general le be wala woni na man soto nun jang ni police bunda jube the highest rank musole no in those states anim bi jelle wo soto ba security sol bi jane fongol ba fala mole yana musolla sembo wara do han kami ni na dan tolla telendi ma fongola musukundo ni an ko jita karangola ngal ne ko bi e ka kule keno e faye fenne o sabu musu semba ma dole fana bol ko mun keta ajaratu binta sidibeti yala ko mo fo jani wona ñon siata oto bawo bi mo alla bengolti civil society bi janne protection bi jang ajinde bi janne pour politico muso e haranje kende ke president Jammeh sembento warole o sabu afa jale women mobilisati parti do mu yalon ko bi wolle be sembo musolom deputy youth mobilize aka kenum keleti bari bi musol ma enan sirin jana woni fanna ko den docteur bunda do bi ni dara je lobitano ala barama kendol bebe musol le bul bi woto musol bi mo la lungol tal ci alni dunya mol se kacha ali ay tandi al sembo be wara di nyaadi le mun ba tolo bulu jang kol ba jang banko ka nyaadi fo mul manke no ko Gambia e sembulum tan yo Gambia la woto tiyan wo kamala me ko mo sutiandla nte kacha bula musol bulu e continue ala baraka
Abaraka Bake, Honorable Babu Gay Sonko, ko nga funu nyamen drom ba bi muy la lungoleti be minke la drom be Mike dalale nga di na invite sol la